Located in the Mechanical Engineering Building, Purdue students are learning about how to design a model roller coaster. This model, built from tiny pieces of wood, demonstrates just one of the specialty classes offered in the engineering program. Let's take a look into the Mechanical Engineering Building and see how this model roller coaster is designed.
The idea of the model itself, though, is that we feel that having a model bigger than this big is a lot more interesting to them. They can sort of see the shape, the size, get more of a feel for the accelerations and the forces and things as that.
Testing acceleration, speed, and gravitational force, these are just a few of the main points of the focus in this class.
I'd definitely like to be a part of the team that makes it, because I think it's something different for a college student. I don't think many colleges do this. Yeah.
One thing that we have found is that we actually have a good number of people who have taken this course, graduated with their degree in mechanical engineering, and have gone out and worked in an industry where they design this. It's basically the entertainment engineering field. And I think what we would like to do is maybe make it clear to people that this is an option. It's a small option, but there are jobs out there for people to use their mechanical engineering degree in the entertainment field.
While Purdue might not have a real-life roller coaster to ride on, we can be ever hopeful and ever true that one of our mechanical engineers will build a real-life roller coaster someday. Reporting for Fast Track News, I'm Rachel Bibler.